Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can delete responses in Typeform and why you may not be able to delete them. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. When you log into Typeform, the first thing you will see is your workspace. This is where you can create and manage your Typeforms. First of all, click the form that has the responses that you want to delete. In my case, it's this one. Now click the results panel, and after that click the responses tab, or you can click the responses on your form in your workspace to land directly to this page. And as you can see, the table shows questions as column headers. To delete responses, select the responses you would like to delete and click the trash icon. You can also open and delete individual responses from the table. Confirm deletion by clicking delete. Keep in mind that your responses will be permanently deleted and you cannot recover deleted responses. You may also be here and not see some of these options, and that's because you are not the owner of the form. If you are the owner of the form, you will have the ability to delete the responses. If you are not the owner, you will probably have to guess them to do it for you. You can watch my Typeform tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Typeform in under 22 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and yeah, bye bye.